Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you're in the correct Roblox account and can access settings. Once logged in, go straight to Settings then Privacy. That's where maturity and chat controls live. If you don't have an ID linked, make sure you have an alternate verification ready, email, phone, or parent-managed account access, because Roblox may require proof. Do this now so you won't interrupt the flow when prompted for verification during the change process. Once in privacy, find the maturity-related controls such as account restrictions and visibility settings. You change each toggle deliberately. Reduce restrictions to allow older teen content, or enable protections to limit it. Explain why. Permissions determine what content and chat you see. If Roblox asks for ID and you lack one, use the alternate verification option or request a parent to confirm via their linked email or phone. Make sure to save changes and watch for immediate prompts that confirm the new maturity level. To finish, save your changes and then log out and back in so the new maturity settings take effect across the site and apps. If the settings revert or remain blocked, make sure the account isn't flagged as a child account or governed by a parent-managed account. Those override your preferences. If alternate verification fails, gather your account email and any proof of ownership, then contact Roblox support and explain you changed maturity without ID. This helps expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.